Welcome to 25233 Laureldale Terrace in Chantilly. This is a condo townhouse that is only 6 years old, just minutes away from Dallas Toll Road, 66, off of Route 50, and very close to Dallas Airport. And of course, lots of shops and restaurants around. As you come in to this beautiful house, you will see gorgeous engineered wood flooring and space for living and dining room table right in here. When you go up one flight, you have two beautiful large bedrooms. There is a full bathroom, and in the hallway upstairs, you also have a huge closet. This house, you are not running out of storage space. And when you go on the top floor, there is the owner's suite with tray ceiling and a walk-in closet and an owner's bathroom. When you head down to the basement, you have a huge room. You can basically use that for anything you like. It's an end unit, 4 level, and it's only 6 years old. It's well maintained and it's gorgeous. It's ready for its new owners.